Hello, this is Dr. Peter from firstmaths.com, and today we're looking at Year 1, Week 2, Day 1, making money amounts. So imagine I have an apple. And I'll go to green leaves. And this apple costs 11 pence. How could I buy this apple? I could buy it with one 10-penny coin, plus one p, or I could also have bought it with a 5p, plus 5p, plus 1p. Okay, let's look at another example. This time I'm looking at a ball. A nice beach ball. And today it's going to cost me 12 pence. How could I pay for this one? I could do 10 pence, plus 2 pence. I could also have done it as 10 pence, plus 1 pence, plus 1 pence. How else could I have fixed this problem? Look now at your worksheets and see if you can come up with your own answers. So, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and have a great day. Bye!